It's hard to summarize the Echo Hub and whether or not it's worth its price tag in just a few minutes, but I've spent enough time with smart home hubs to give you a pretty good idea. Most people want to see smart home cameras around their home. This can bring up 4 cameras within seconds around my home with a single tap. The device will know when I'm walking up to it and will quickly switch to the main page. Then I just tap that button and I'm there within a few moments. This is relatively quick, and if you were to compare it to an Echo Show, there is no comparison because the controls are so much better. We see additional options for controlling your smart home products on the Echo Hub versus Echo Shows. And once you tap on a device to make it do something, you'll see the result reflected on the Echo Hub screen. You'll see your lights turn on. There's nothing going on the main page when I'm not using the device. In bright rooms, it shows this nice display, and in dark rooms, it actually goes to a full-on black screen. Amazon's giving us a lot of control of what shows up on this display. You have to have the 3 sections. On the left, there are groups. On the bottom, there are different types of smart home devices, and in the middle are what are called widgets. But after that, you can customize what's showing up on the panel. The integration with Ring is incredibly powerful if you're using their security system. Other security systems won't work in the same way, so understand that. But this becomes a replacement for your keypad, and it becomes a focal point for your cameras and your doorbells. Now finally, the Echo Hub is an actual smart home hub. You can connect Zigbee, Bluetooth, and Matter smart home products to this and control them. It's not perfect this way, but Amazon's system, the overall system, has the ability to integrate with over 140,000 smart products today. So you're not going to be missing options versus other systems. So if you want smart home control and you're already using some Amazon products, the Echo Hub is definitely worth it.